For 40 long years it sat forgotten, a ghost of a machine swallowed by the shifting sands. This vintage car, once a symbol of pride, was now a rusted shell, abandoned and left to the mercy of the elements. But even as the desert tried to claim it, something precious lay hidden inside, waiting patiently to be discovered. Its time was finally coming. A young mechanic named Leo was scavenging for scrap metal when he spotted the glint of chrome half buried in the distance. Drawn by curiosity, he approached the wreck. The desert winds whispered around the car's skeletal frame, as if guarding a long-held secret. He pried open a corroded door, and there, tucked away beneath a collapsed seat, he found it. A sealed metal box, heavy with the weight of unspoken history. With careful hands, Leo opened the box back at his workshop. Inside, the past came rushing out. He found a collection of faded photographs showing a smiling family, proudly posing with the very same car in its glory days. Beneath the photos was a small, worn-out toy car and a single handwritten note. The elegant script was simple and heartbreaking. "If someone finds this car, please bring it back to life." That plea ignited a fire in Leo. This was no longer about scrap metal. It was a mission. He began the painstaking process of restoration, a cinematic dance of creation. Sparks flew as he cut away the rusted, cancerous metal. Slowly, the car's original form was resurrected from the decay. He meticulously rebuilt the engine, piece by piece, polished the chrome until it gleamed, and applied a fresh coat of deep blue paint that mirrored the sky. The interior was lovingly restored, every stitch a tribute to the family that had lost it. With the car gleaming like new, Leo turned his attention to the name on the note. A few hours of research revealed a somber story. The family from the photographs had been torn apart by a tragic accident decades ago, an event that had separated them from their beloved vehicle forever. But one member had survived, the small boy from the pictures. Leo drove the restored masterpiece to a quiet suburban home. An older man, his face etched with the lines of a long and difficult life, stepped outside. As he saw the car, his eyes widened in disbelief. He walked towards it, his hand trembling as he traced the familiar curves. Leo opened the glove box, revealing the little toy car inside. The man gasped, his composure finally breaking. With tears streaming down his face, he climbed into the driver's seat and turned the key. The engine roared to life, a powerful sound that broke the silence of 40 years. Some restorations don't just fix cars. They have the power to bring priceless memories back to life.